is Ram
and Max
YouTube channel. So today, we're going to show you naman how to make a super duper duper easy ice cream. It's mainit, sobrang init. Summer dito ngayon. It's already summer here. And we're feeling hot, and you know, sometimes it's good to treat yourself an ice cream. Anyway, without further ado, let's do it na. So, first, this is what you need. Nakita niya na yung mga kailangan natin. Hintayin lang natin si Max. So, we can start now. So, first, kunin niya na yung ating frozen fruits. Any kind of fruits, guys. But
fresh, cut, and then frozen. Yeah,
fresh, cutted, and then frozen. Kunin niyo na siya. Ito na yung akin. So, now we'll do the melon. And then later, we might do the banana with strawberry. Let's see. So, nalagay lang natin siya. I think that's enough for the moment.
What?
And then, ilalagay na natin yung ating concentrated milk without sugar. Ang hirap i-translate ng French sa ano. So, ilalagay lang natin siya dito.
I never, attends. Ah, c'est trop bon.
So, ilalagay lang natin siya. Konti lang ilalagay natin. Konti lang muna. Mamaya na natin dagdagan. Hindi ako nagsusukat, guys, eh. Tansya-tansya lang ako. So, yan. Konti lang yung nilagay ko. And then, i-blend lang natin siya. Sobrang easy lang talaga. Oh, wow, that's how it should be. So, now, nakuha na natin yung result na gusto natin. I'm so happy. Look at it. So, ito na yung result na nakuha natin. So, ngayon lalagyan natin siya ng honey kasi walang without sugar yung ating concentrated milk. Of honey. Actually, yung friend ko sa Prague, gumagawa din ito. But I don't know how she do her ice cream. But, you know, I'm really looking for something easy to do and super fast kasi para din sa family ko sa Philippines, I want them to do this as a small business. Tiyan mo na mo? Okay. Ayan, inubos ko yung yung melon para kasi feel ko masarap.
Ça va dire un ice cream.
Exactly, that's how it should be. That's why it should be frozen.
Ouais, c'est vrai.
It shouldn't be. It should be hard.
C'est vrai? Ouais, disons que. Oh, ça sent bon.
So, and this is how it looks like na, guys. Ayan.
Like surimi mashed.
So, the texture, guys, it should be, you know, like, so, a little bit solid, like, you know, like a real ice cream.
After that, you mix it we mix it a lot, so maybe that's why it's getting more
no, it should
foamy.
Be, it should be.
What? I thought it should be liquid.
So, it should be like foamy, guys. It should be like solid na, pagka-solid na foamy. And, ayan, grabe. Alam niyo yung ice cream na natunaw? So, okay. Now, we will put our ice cream dito para, di ba, masarap siya mamaya dila-dila.
Mais non. Parfait. Attends, c'est moi qui fais.
Okay. And the melon, that's one of my favorite ice cream flavor. Chocolate, melon, strawberry, banana, that's one of my favorite. And a lot actually. I just love ice cream. I don't like sweets that much, but ice cream,
Mais là, ça va.
I won't say no, yeah.
Just one spoon, so...
That's why homemade ice cream is still better than factory made ice cream.
Here we have a lot of artisanal ice cream, so ça va. But better than Ben & Jerry's.
How about you, Mahal? Do you love ice cream?
En fait, moi, I'm not too much sugar things, but since you make it, I appreciate it. Like the tiramisu, the last time you make me crinkles, choco crinkles.
Yeah.
The cookies, those things. Mais more in winter than in summer. Summer, oui, an ice cream sometimes, but rarely.
You don't like it?
I like, but I don't get some.
Really?
Well,
And what's your favorite flavor?
why really? Like you don't know what I'm getting in summer as I be.
No, but yeah, beer, but beer for summer, it's a bit hot.
Even, but no.
It's hot.
That's why you need to be
No,
fresh and cool.
not for me. And how about your favorite ice cream?
I have a lot, mais ça dépend. Strawberry, if it's artisanal, strawberry, vanilla, lemon.
Lemon ice cream?
Ouais.
Really?
Sorbet.
Ah,
Ice cream, I don't really get en fait, c'est ça. Ice
you're
cream.
doing ice cream.
Oui, là, oui. Super inedito.
So now we will put it in our freezer for like 4 hours to 6 hours. It depends kung gaano kalakas yung freezer nyo. But you can check it from time to time. So now I'll put this now.
Oui.
I just want to taste it.
Sandali.
Super good. We just need to put more sugar, I guess.
Told you. Mais for me c'est good because quand c'est chaud, j'ai pas trop envie de sucre. Je préfère être comme ça.
So ito na ang ating ice cream! Hello guys! So I'm back. I'm alone kasi na-visit siya sa akin. Inaaway ko. Joke lang. Anyway, so
Ewan ko sa'yo kasi.
So now we're going to do another one. Ito naman yung banana and fries. Kaso I have a problem kasi yung banana ko hindi masyado frozen, but it's okay, I guess.
Oui. By the way, that should be mine. Le Puisette K, alors c'est toi qui fais.
Get the... I have that pala. Throw it, assistant. And then the strawberry. Yeah, fresh from...
And framboise. Là, c'est pas grave.
And framboise.
I think it's mixed, no?
Yeah, I mix it kasi I'm
Bah vas-y, put it all. I love the taste of those. Ouais.
So I prefer, it depends on you if you want the taste of banana more than strawberry or strawberry than banana. You know what I mean?
Put whatever
So
you
ilalagay
like.
natin sitirang 10 centiliter of concentrated milk without sugar. So now we will add the honey, vanilla, because we need more sugar in our life. Or you can add sugar. If you don't have honey at home, you can use sugar. And now let's ikot-ikot.
Ikot-ikot daw.
Ginagawa mo!
Ah, no, attends. You're getting so dark, no? You want me to lift that up?
No, it's okay.
T'es sûr? Ok.
Ginagawa mo!
So now, tapos na to. So ilalagay na lang natin siya sa lalagyanan. Yummy.
You have the silicone spoon things?
Yeah. No, but it's okay. So now it's time to put it in the freezer. So now it's time to see if my husband learned something from me. Now we will do the thing, all the process. We will do it step by step using soap.
Raspberry, non? En anglais, ça c'est quoi?
Blueberry.
Assistant,
What are you doing?
I'm adding the concentrate milk. Enough?
I think so for the moment, but
Ouais.
we still have.
On verra. C'est Messina. I put the fruits, then the concentrated milk without sugar, and then 2 spoons, almost 2 spoons and a half of honey. Oops.
Over that.
Oh.
No.
It's getting warm up, cassé, chérie.
No, I shouldn't put more. So that's all, guys. Super duper easy. Actually, it would take you
What?
5
Maximum
minutes lang.
10 just to prepare all, etc.
Yeah, maximum 10 minutes to prepare. And then, after nun, super waiting, ano na lang tayo, mode on. So, yeah. So, I love doing this, especially with him. Kasi we can have, you know, a little bonding moments. Normally, pag nakarating siya sa bahay, ako start ng work. Pag ako nasa bahay, siya nag-work, ganon. So, minsan lang talaga magkaroon ng time together na ganitong bonding. So, I'm so happy. And, did you enjoy?
Bah oui, I will enjoy when I will taste it.
Yeah, exactly. And
Fresh.
we cannot wait to taste it.
Au revoir.
Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like
And subscribe.
and follow us on our Instagram account.
Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat.
And like us on Facebook. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope magamit ito sa inyong future business or magamit ito sa inyong mainit na panahon.
And just to enjoy the summer.
And I hope na ma-enjoy nyo yung summer using this simple, super simple ingredients or recipes for our super simple ice cream. And ayan, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to like and share if you love this video and if tingin nyo nakatulong siya sa inyo. And, ay naku, ito lalaki to. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Wait lang, let's have a picture. Si ganda, pugi tayo. Hello guys, so I just woke up and nandito tayo ngayon sa terrace namin. Sa balcony namin. And now we're going to taste our homemade ice cream na ginawa namin ni Max. I'm going to show you again. So we're going to eat it kasi sobrang init. So sobrang sarap, guys. Yan yung texture niya. Texture talaga ng ice cream. Ang sarap. Bagay na bagay sa mainit na panahon. So, sana ma-enjoy nyo rin yung ice cream nyo, guys. And, sana na-enjoy nyo itong ginawa natin. Sana ma-enjoy nyo yung ice cream. So, actually, it's super good. I love it so much. Okay na yung isang ingredients lang and okay na. Ang sarap.